What's wrong? Aren't you happy? Where's your ball, Lily? Where's your ball? Go get your ball. There's your ball. Where's your ball? There's Doggy. There's the doggy. Are you feeding Doggy? Are you feeding the doggy your food? Where's your ball? No. No, that's not a toy. No. No. That's not a toy. You know it goes to the doggy though, huh? That's his leash. Or his collar. Yeah, that's his collar. Uh-oh. No, it doesn't go there. Lily, come here, I'll show you. Bring Mommy the collar. Bring Mama the collar. Bring it to Mama. Bring it to Mommy. Lay down, Chance. Bring it to Mommy. Here, let me show you. Here, Lily. Give it to me. Give it to me. Good girl. Ready? Now we put it over his neck here. This is where it goes, around his neck. Yay! Okay, hold on. We gotta put the camera down. There. I put it on his neck. I put it on his neck. Yeah, there it is. Good girl. You put his collar on him. Good girl. Is that your bear? Where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Where's your ball, Lily? Ball. Val. Val. What are you doing? Are you funny or a weirdo? I don't know which one it is. You're both, huh? Get your ball. Did you knock that over? Get it up. Up. Pick it up. Pick it up, Lily. Pick it up. Good girl. Good girl. You picked it up. Yay. That's my girl. Yay. Yay. Those jeans are quite baggy on you.